great Muhammad Ali once recounted, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion." In this video, we take a look at how self-love leads to greater accountability, increased standards, more ambitious goals, and an unwavering confidence in the pursuit of the outcomes we desire. Join us as we look at the resilience, compassion, and personal empowerment on the journey to understanding that personal tough love isn't about being harsh with oneself. It's actually an important key to unlocking your full life potential. That's today on Understanding Tough Love. As defined by the psychiatrist and author David Viscott, tough love is the expression of love or concern that is somewhat severe or stern, especially when it comes to enforcing discipline or reform. In the same vein, Carl Jung adds that tough love is an indispensable corrective for a society that tends to infantilize its citizens. Self-love forms the bedrock of our emotional well-being, offering a platform to navigate life's challenges. It's not about indulgence, but rather acknowledging our strengths and weaknesses without judgment. In the words of famed physicist Marie Curie, life is not easy for any of us. But what of that? We must have perseverance and, above all, confidence in ourselves. Cultivating self-love equips us to handle tough love, a transition not rooted in self-criticism, but rather in setting higher expectations. In this way, self-love becomes the foundation for self-improvement, fostering receptivity to constructive criticism and growth. As Winston Churchill, a beacon of resilience, once declared, "Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm." Tough love, in this context, guides rather than condemns, pushing us toward unwavering determination and belief in our potential. 17th century Dutch philosopher Baruch Spinoza believed that he who is easily touched by emotion does not possess a persevering spirit. So, true self-love, according to him, involves being secure enough to be able to keep emotions in check and find a sense of calmness and alignment with the world around us. Eleanor Roosevelt's words also inspire when it comes to tough love. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Being aware and intentional with periods of self-love and tough love naturally elevates our standards. The acceptance of ourselves enables us to discern between settling for mediocrity and striving for excellence. For as Confucius says, it does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Tough love isn't about perfection. It's about progress. The journey from self-love involves embracing discomfort and recognizing it as the catalyst for growth. Jordan Peterson, the influential psychologist, puts it this way: to stand up straight with your shoulders back is to accept the terrible responsibility of life with eyes wide open. Accountability, a manifestation of tough love, is central to holding ourselves responsible, and better yet, taking pride in our actions and choices. The transition from self-love to tough love is transformative, marked by acceptance, resilience, and a commitment to excellence. Drawing inspiration from profound insights, we recognize the strength within to meet and exceed higher standards. Aristotle's timeless words resonate with this when he said, "Excellence is an art won by training and habituation." And that is what you are doing right now. Training your mind, exercising your awareness, expanding your love, and raising your vibration. Let's now end by taking a deep breath in through the nose, holding at the top, and releasing. Feeling the security of our self-love. And welcoming the empowering force of tough love as well. As always, thanks for being here. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help spread the love. Leave us a comment in the comment section below to let us know how we're doing. And finally, be sure to check out this next video to continue your journey of building your potential.